In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Monarch Money goals. Getting your financial future sorted out is something we all should take seriously. Monarch Money offers a straightforward platform to help you with this. Let's begin this journey of setting up your goals with clarity and ease. To kick things off, open your favorite browser and navigate to the Monarch Money dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a number of intuitive options. We want to focus on setting goals today, so look for the option that allows you to create a goal. It's typically visible right on the main page, and it's usually just a click away. Once you've clicked to create a goal, you'll be directed to a screen where you'll see a Get Started button. Click on this button to begin the process of customizing your financial goals. This step is all about initiating the setup, so take a moment to ensure you're ready with what you have in mind. The next phase involves choosing your specific goal. Monarch offers predefined templates to help guide you. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new gadget, or long-term financial security, there's a goal for everyone. Take your time here to browse through the available options, and depending on what aligns with your financial plan, click on the goal that suits you best. After selecting your desired goal, proceed by clicking on Next. What you're doing now is confirming your choice and preparing to enter some specifics. This process may seem repetitive, but it ensures you are completely aligned with your personal financial objectives. As you continue, you'll encounter another Next button. This part of the workflow is designed to move you along to the details phase, which is vital for setting a realistic goal. Each goal requires a target amount, so now it's time to type in the amount you aspire to achieve. Be realistic but optimistic, allowing you some challenge that's still achievable. Continue with the setup by hitting Next once again. We are progressing to mapping out your accounts. This final next step ensures that you connect your financial sources or bank accounts if needed to keep track of your progress and savings. Congratulations, you're now set up with a new goal using Monarch Money. With each step, you've laid down a solid foundation for meeting your financial aspirations. Remember, the beauty of using Monarch is in its automatic updates and ongoing tracking, providing a constant reminder of your financial journey. Persist with this setup by routinely checking your progress and making adjustments where needed to stay on track. Setting goals in Monarch Money is efficient, and it's now ready to assist you in organizing and managing your financial targets. Before signing off, remember that consistency is key in meeting financial goals. Regularly update your progress, and in no time, you'll be celebrating reaching the milestones you laid out today. So, let's start this journey confidently and achieve those goals together.